it's Amelie. Today we're going to talk about the new Trinity College London Flute Books. So Trinity College London is a leading international exam board, an independent education charity that has been providing assessments around the world since 1877. And I've been contacted by them. Was very excited about that because they released a new set of books with their new syllabus for the exams, and they wanted me to review it. I received the digital version, but you can also get the physical books if you prefer. And these books are by level. So you have initial and then 1 to 8. So there's 9 books in total of repertoire. Each book has 12 pieces. They put 3 more than in the previous editions. And also, the other edition is still good if you want to do the exams. They didn't want people to have to buy the book again, but it's a good choice of repertoire. So it could be good for anyone who wants to do those exams because it can be a good goal for you, or any person who teaches and wants to have a lot of different repertoire to give their students, or someone who's learning on their own and also doesn't really know what can I learn at my level. So it can be interesting to do that. You can also go and check out their syllabus, which says which scales you should learn at level 1 and level 2 and all that stuff, and how many pieces. And then it can give you an idea of your level, because even when you do the exams, you don't have to start from initial 1 to... If you realize that you're already at level 3, for example, you can go directly to level 3 if you want to do the exams like that. So each book comes with a downloadable demo and accompaniment audio. It's available both in ebook and printed format, like I said before. And they also commissioned some works from composers, so that's pretty cool. And there's also notes about each piece in the book, and it's interesting. I read them, and I think it can help with the inspiration, to play the piece. And then there's also a wide variety of styles. You have Baroque, and then classic, and jazz, and pop. So you can play different styles. That's pretty cool. You can also take some pieces from the classical syllabus and take one piece from the jazz syllabus. There's a lot of flexibility in their program, so that's interesting. They're trying to be really modern about their way of doing things. You can do your exams online, but there's also some examination centers in different cities all around the world. You can check that on their website. They cover different instruments, music, drama, English language, so it's very interesting. You can go and check it out. I did, and I was pretty interested by that. And then also they have other books that you can check about, like sight reading and all those things, but the ones that I really reviewed are the ones with the repertoire. And I'm going to play a couple of pieces from their book so that you have an idea of what it's like. looking at the repertoire list, I can really see that they took the time to choose some varied repertoire, and there's a pedagogical thought really behind it. And if you want to do the exam, there's different sections. So you have the pieces, then the technical work, which are scales, arpeggios, and things like that. And then you have supporting tests that are a bit more about theory and ear training, a little bit of improv sometimes that goes with the theoretical part. It's pretty interesting the way they bring it, I thought. Pedagogically, I think it's good to group theory with the instrument so that the theory is not this thing that is completely cut from the music playing itself. And I think they do that, so that's interesting. So in resume, each book is associated with a grade level, and you have different styles. You have playback tracks and demo. Some pieces are for solo flute as well. And there's nice performance notes in the books, and you can get them either in digital version or printed book. I'd like to thank Trinity College London for sponsoring this video. You will find all the links to what I talked about in this video in the description below. And I encourage you to do these exams. I think it can be a very cool goal for yourself. I hope this video was helpful. If you liked it, please like it. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and go and check out our website, musigy.com. Thanks for watching.